Hi, and welcome to the Line 5 channel. Today we'll be making a super easy yogurt loaf cake. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to hit the subscription box to see the rest of the videos that come up. Thanks, and let's get to the ingredients. All right, so we got 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, 1 cup of vanilla yogurt. If you're using plain yogurt, just add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I have half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 large eggs. All right, so my oven is preheated at 350 degrees, and I have my 9x5 loaf pan that's greased and floured and ready to go. So we're gonna start with our eggs. And to that, we're gonna add in half a cup of sugar and half a cup of oil. If you were adding the vanilla extract, you would add that now as well. And we'll just mix that together. And then you'll add in your 1 cup of yogurt. And mix that until it's all combined. For a second, and then we got our flour and our baking powder. And I'm just gonna quickly add the baking powder to the flour and just give that a quick whisk. Try to get it mixed together a little bit here. There we go. And then I will add all the flour to the rest of the bowl. And mix that just until it's combined. You don't want to over mix it here. That'll make for a pretty dense cake. That looks pretty good to me. So we'll get our pan here and just pour it on in. And I like to just smooth out, and then put it in your preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes, and there you go. So mine was done at the 36-minute mark. I let it rest in the pan for about 5 minutes and then flipped it out on my cooling rack. And you do have the option to glaze it with any sort of jam that you like, watered down jam. But my kids like it just like that, and so far it is 2 thumbs up approved by 3 young kids. So hope you enjoy it as well. Thanks for watching.